Welcome to today's exploration of herbs that can enhance your vision. Have you ever thought about the possibility of naturally improving your eyesight without relying on glasses or costly treatments? Astonishingly, over 2.2 billion people worldwide experience vision impairment or blindness, and many are on the lookout for effective ways to protect and enhance their eyesight. The solution may be simpler than you think. In this video, we'll delve into the remarkable world of herbs that have been scientifically backed for their vision-enhancing properties. We'll cover which herbs can help, how to incorporate them into your daily routine, and what kind of results you can expect. So, stick with us to unlock the secrets of natural eye health. 1. Bilberry. Bilberry is renowned for its powerful antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which protect the eyes from oxidative stress. These compounds enhance blood circulation in the retina, improving night vision and overall visual acuity. A 2024 study showed that taking 160 milligrams of bilberry extract daily could significantly enhance contrast sensitivity and visual acuity, especially in challenging light conditions. For the best results, aim for 80 to 160 milligrams of standardized bilberry extract twice daily, combined with a diet rich in eye-friendly nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin. Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo biloba is another powerhouse for eye health, known for its ability to improve blood flow and reduce oxidative stress. A 2012 study highlighted its benefits for individuals with normal tension glaucoma, noting improvements in retinal blood flow. For optimal results, consider taking 120 to 240 milligrams of standardized ginkgo extract daily, split into 2 or 3 doses. Always check with a healthcare provider, especially if you're on other medications. 3. Eyebright. Eyebright has been traditionally used for various eye conditions and may help alleviate eye strain. Its compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, potentially offering temporary relief from fatigue and irritation. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of Eyebright tea daily or using a diluted solution as eye drops can provide soothing effects, but consult with a healthcare professional for proper dosing. 4. Saffron. Saffron is rich in carotenoids like crocin and quercetin, which protect retinal cells from oxidative stress. A 2017 study found that daily supplementation of 50 milligrams over 3 months led to significant improvements in visual acuity in those with early age-related macular degeneration. Aim for a daily intake of 20 to 30 milligrams of high-quality saffron extract for the best results. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric's active compound curcumin boasts strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can protect retinal cells. A 2023 study revealed its potential to prevent oxidative damage linked to age-related conditions. For eye health, consider taking 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin daily, ideally with piperine to enhance absorption. 6. Goji Berries. Goji berries are packed with nutrients that support eye health, particularly through their rich content of zeaxanthin, which helps filter harmful blue light. A 2021 study showed that consuming a handful, about 28 grams daily for 90 days, improved protection against age-related macular degeneration. Incorporating goji berries into snacks or smoothies is a delicious way to support your vision. 7. Fennel. Fennel seeds are nutrient-dense and can help reduce eye strain. Their high concentration of vitamin C and antioxidants makes them beneficial for maintaining clarity of vision. Drinking fennel tea made from crushed seeds can enhance eye function. Just steep a teaspoon in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly EGCG, which protects eye tissues from oxidative damage. The 2023 study found that EGCG could improve retinal health and reduce oxidative stress. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed green tea daily can be beneficial for your eye health. 9. Milk thistle. Milk thistle contains silymarin, known for its liver-supporting properties and potential to protect retinal health. A 2022 study found that silymarin could help preserve retinal thickness and improve circulation, which is crucial for clear vision. A dosage of 200 to 400 milligrams of milk thistle extract daily is suggested. 10. Chamomile. Chamomile is well known for its calming effects but also offers benefits for eye health. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can soothe irritated eyes and reduce strain, especially for those who spend long hours in front of screens. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of chamomile tea daily or using it as an eye wash can help. 11. Coleus forscolii. This herb contains formalin, which can help lower intraocular pressure, making it particularly beneficial for those with glaucoma. A 2015 study noted significant pressure reductions within 30 minutes of application. For oral supplements, a dosage of 250 to 500 milligrams per day is typical.